herd of hearts, herd of deer, bevy of roes, trip of goats, trip of hares, sounder of wild swine, singular of boars, warren of rabbits canaille, labor of moles, kindle of kittens, litter of whelps, seed of badgers, sleuth of bears, pride of lions, skulk of foxes, leap of leopards, shrewdness of apes, riches of martens, business of ferrets, cowardice of curs, mute of hounds, kennel of rakes, stud of mares, pace of asses, drove of cattle, flock of sheep, exaltation of larks, watch of nightingales, charm of goldfinches, flight of doves, flight of swallows, murmuration of starlings, murder of crows, unkindness of ravens, parliament of owls, siege of herons, siege of bitterns, covey of partridges, spring of teals, fall of woodcocks, desert of lapwings, congregation of plovers, covert of coots, brood of hens, peep of chickens, gaggle of geese, scan of geese, waddle of ducks, muster of peacocks, host of sparrows, tiding of magpies, clattering of jackdaws, swarm of bees, hunting groupings, brace of greyhounds, leash of greyhounds, couple of spaniels, couple of running hounds, cast of hawks, leash of hawks, flight of goshawks, suit of liam hounds, congregation of people, host of men, fellowship of yeomen, state of princes, superfluity of nuns, sentence of judges, damning of jurors, doctrine of doctors, rash of physicians, prudence of vicars, wisdom of counselors, silence of monks, lying of pardoners, blast of hunters, blast of courtiers, melody of harpers, poverty of pipers, scolding of tailors, drunkenness of cobblers, fighting of beggars, rascal of boys, rage of maidens, cluster of churls, blush of boys, execution of officers, provision of stewards, obedience of servants, diligence of messengers, school of clerks, faith of merchants, safeguard of porters, promise of tapsters, misbelief of painters, worship of writers, unthrifting of jugglers, goring of butchers, cluster of grapes, cluster of nuts, rage of teeth,